In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use customer accounts in Shopify. This will help enhance the shopping experience for your customers by providing them with an opportunity to create personal accounts. This can lead to increased customer loyalty and repeat business, as they can easily track their orders and save their preferences for a smoother shopping journey. Let's get started by heading over to your Shopify admin page. Once you're on your store's homepage, the first thing you need to do is locate the settings option. You can find this at the bottom left of your sidebar. By clicking this, you're opening the door to a range of customizable options for your store. From here, we'll focus specifically on managing customer accounts. After you've clicked on settings, you'll be presented with multiple options. Look for customer accounts, which pertains precisely to what we wish to enable today. This section is dedicated to helping you manage how your customers interact with their accounts. It's an important feature because it not only enhances user experience, but also helps you build a robust database of customer information. Once you're in the customer accounts section, you'll see various options related to how customers can access their accounts. Now you're going to enable the show login links option. This is crucial as it provides customers with visible options to log in or register on your site. Simply find the toggle switch beside it and click to turn it on. When this feature is active, your customers will see login options visibly available on your storefront. They can quickly choose to log in, which not only makes checking out faster for them, but also allows their choices and preferences to be remembered for next time. It's worth mentioning that having customer accounts enabled can greatly enhance the trust customers have in your store. When users feel their personal preferences and purchase history are secure, they are more likely to engage in repeat purchases. And more engagement from customers can significantly benefit your sales and customer retention. To sum it up, enabling customer accounts in Shopify and showing login links is a simple yet effective adjustment that can greatly benefit your business. It not only fosters a personalized shopping experience, but also positions your store as one that values customer convenience and security. This completes all the essential actions you need to perform to harness the power of customer accounts in Shopify. So that's all there is to it for this quick tutorial. If you followed along, you've successfully enabled customer accounts and enhanced the overall shopping experience you offer. Remember, Shopify is a potent platform, and even small adjustments like these can have a significant impact on your business's success. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out more of our guides to maximize your Shopify store's potential. Happy selling!